Hello SU Law students, this is SU Law Technology Guides, Tips, Tricks, and Tutorials. In this segment we're going to help you install SmartPrint Client for macOS. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to verify that you are on Eduroam, our new campus Wi-Fi starting August 2021. If you don't know what this is, go out to lawhelpdesk.su.edu, look up Eduroam, Eduroam, and check out the video to access Eduroam. The next thing you want to do is go out to scu.edu, type in SmartPrint, and it'll take you to the SmartPrint Print Center. Now, SmartPrint in itself is the printing system, the pay-for-print system. The first part about SmartPrint is the web version only. This means you can log into the SmartPrint Print Center site and upload your document, review it, and then print it out or release it to a assigned SmartPrint printer on campus. So all you have to do is go out to https://sb2.su.edu and log in, upload, and release. So now let's go get started with the SmartPrint client. You'll need this to install on your computer. And the reason why you want to do this is you get to secure your document with your user ID if you have the SmartPrint client on your computer. So let's go ahead and download it. Once you've downloaded it, go find out where it is. It should be a DMG file. And then go ahead and double click on that. It'll open it up. There'll be a PKG file that you need to double click to run, and then click continue until it starts installing. And of course they'll prompt you for your local profile password, so go ahead, put that in there. Let it run some scripts to install. Should be done like that. And then the next thing you want to do is check your printer settings. Go out to your printers and scanners. You should have two printer drivers now, SmartPrint Black and White and SmartPrint Color. So you want to go to Options, make sure that the duplexer is checked. Same thing for the color. Go out to Options and check if the duplexer is checked. Now that it's checked, let's do a test print. Let's do a color two-sided. So this is within your application. It could be Word, it could be web browser. And then you click on print, and before it sends it out to the queue, it asks you for your user ID. And this is what locks it at the release station. So I'm going to put in my user ID. And then click on print. Then you're going to go to the SmartPrint copy print area. I'm going to go to the color printer on the first floor. Release it with my card. You'll see the release station. This is your document. You have to press it a little bit. And it just starts printing out. You'll notice that it can print double-sided. Okay, let's print black and white single-sided. Let's do that now. I'm going to select black and white. Make sure two-sided is unchecked. And click print. Of course, put in your user ID to lock your print job and release it anywhere. It doesn't have to be in Charney. It could be anywhere on campus. Go to the copy print room or designated area where the SmartPrint is, release station. Make sure it's connected to that printer. And release your print job. Single-sided. Success!